We're bursting at the seams at the moment.
There's a lot of fear around the move and excitement.
Everyone talks about how hard it is to raise babies and it takes a village. So we decided, let's actually have a village.
Pray for some dry weather.
I wasn't worried.
Me neither.
It doesn't cost an arm and a leg these days to knock a house down. It is a very viable option.
Cheers. Welcome to your home.
I'm Chris McNeil. And I'm Phil Vandenut. We're the franchise owners of GJ Gardner Homes, Brisbane Outer North. Donna and Edward came to us because they outgrew their current home. So we're here to help them design their perfect home for the growing family.
Get over there. It's like the economy airline here.
So, with Edward and Donna, and we did meet in Tahiti. I was a scuba diving instructor and she was a tourist. She thought that it would be good to bring back a French boy home. So here we are.
A few years later.
My name is Jessie.
My name is Nathan.
We met with the new classic love story being Tinder. We went on a first date. I said to my friends I wouldn't see him again because he ate the chips off my plate. But they all convinced me that he was definitely worth a second go.
We've been cohabitating here since COVID.
The rental market was horrendous and we couldn't find anywhere to rent. So Jess's parents said that they've got a downstairs part of their house and they're happy for us to move in. It was plenty of space beforehand, but now there's baby stuff everywhere.
It doesn't make sense anymore for us.
At GJ Gardner Homes, we're getting more and more families coming to us and asking us to help them. Everything from establishing families to downsizers and to more and more multi-generational living. We believe that Knockdown Rebuild is only going to grow and grow as Australians realise they can have a home built around them in a location that they love. It's more than just a building choice. It's a really smart way of evolving cities and regional centres.
The multi-generational is such a common aspect these days and we're doing more and more of them. So it is such a viable option and we look at it, how can we utilise their family's needs on their block after they're knocked down. The price of land at the moment, for a small lot, you're paying $450,000. So if families can pool money and get a win with both parties or both families being able to live under the same roof, why wouldn't you?
In all honesty, Nate and I felt that the housing market was out of reach for us, and that's a pretty sad reality. If we were to look to buy in a neighbourhood like this, by the time we would save the deposit, the property prices would be well out of our purchasing power. If you'd asked us 5 years ago, we would have said we're probably just lifetime renters in this market.
But when we first started the business, just to keep costs low, I bunked in with Chris, so it was pretty multi-generational then. Actually, I was going to say, you could say, we've got the benefit of having granny flat and kind of tax into a house, and we thought, it just seems crazy, to be paying rent. We'll just keep it all and put it all into business, and his wife cooks an amazing meal, so that was always a plus for me as well.
So you had some multi-generational advice to give to Gardner?
Yeah, basically. Yeah. Have the separation, but we're collaborative for a beverage.
Edward, he's a builder by trade as well, so he actually renovated this place 20 years ago when they first bought it.
It was a long work.
How long was it, Edward? How long did the renovation take?
Ooh, good question. Thank you for asking.
Was it 10 years? 10 long years?
Maybe not 10.
Maybe 10 years. Edward's a perfectionist, so when I selected the house, Edward did a pencil drawing, which we still have, and the house looks exactly like his first vision.
Well, Edward came to us with a bit of a mud map of what he wanted. We also have a number of homes that we've got, on the books, which then kind of collaboratively pull those together to come up with his custom design.
We'll have a house that's built for purpose, not adjusted for need. We will have a house next to the waterfront, and they have what I call a promenade, which is what the French have. Is a walkway all along the waterfront. It's shade one way, sunshine the other. It's around the corner from the daycare. It's walkable distance, it's flat.
It's a little bit of holiday feeling. There is less stress. Life, it's calmer there.
I just feel like we're ready. And I didn't think that I would say that I was ready because I was really digging my claws into staying in a city. But I think I'm ready to move to the seaside.